which shape we are going to use in drawing a car? We will use a circle shape, semicircle shape, and if you want, you can use a rectangle too. Okay? For that, we need marker, paper, and few beautiful colors. So let's get started. First, we are going to draw a wheel of the car. For that, I am drawing a small circle. Yes, start from here. Small circle. Very good. And here we are going to draw another small circle. Yes, you can draw it. Very good. And now, outside of this small circle, we are going to draw a big circle and make it like a donut. Is it donut?
Yeah.
Is it looks like a donut, right? You want to have it?
Yes.
It's yummy, but it's a wheel of the car. Yes, same way you can. Yes, same way you can draw another one outside of the small circle. Yes, we had made a 2 wheels. Now we will join this 2 wheel by a slipping line.
Yeah.
Yes. Good. Now we are going to draw a bump of the car, right? In the middle, we are going to draw a semicircle first. For semicircle, we are wait. For semicircle, I am starting with here and doing like this and comes down. And yes, you need to start from here and end here. Yes, semicircle. Good. Now we are going to draw a bump. Bump, right? Here and there. Drawing a bump. Wait. Like this. Good. Stop. And now here. And stop. Another time. Now make a slipping line and join with the wheel. Yes, here also. Yes. And let's make little bit partition here. Yes, from here also. Like this. Done. Now let's draw a window of the car. For that, I am drawing slipping line. Half. Yes, you need to start from here and end here. Yes. And standing line. Yes. And ये और इसको जोड़ते हुए curve. Yes, very good. Now same way, other window. For that, I am going to draw slipping line